Hello everyone, this is Justice the Real Estate Agent, and today we're in Winter Park at a $1.7 million listing. Let's take a look. Really nice exterior. I love the design and the balconies. Really tall, great aesthetic. Love the cameras. Tall glass. Let's take a look. So I love how it's open floor plan as soon as you walk in. Full pan and excellent elevator, of course. You definitely need this in your home. Why not? So let's take a look at the first closet. Lots of storage space. For shoes, everything you can think of. Bicycles. One thing I really love about this home is the rails. Just the aesthetic, the texture of them. Just giving me warehouse industrial vibes. Let's take a look at this fixture. Really, really beautiful. Of course, a cooler. Really neat. I love the finish here. And shelf space for storage, of course. And then we get into the kitchen. I love how it's surrounded by this slab right here in the middle. Really enjoy the finishes on the drawers. And then the island. It's just a long, super long island, but I love it, it works. Really nice. This comes down. And it's giving you this beautiful view of the backyard as well. A lot of natural light during the daytime. Really nice appliances with nice finishes. And we'll have our gorgeous fridge here. Range as well. These are my favorite. I feel like I'm working in a restaurant. Go all the way up. Cabinet space. I enjoy the aesthetic for sure. Check out the closet space. Excuse me, restaurant on the first floor. So this is unique. I have not seen a sink like this ever. I like this backsplash. Yep. Knobs as well. Loads of space. So 2-car garage, definitely space here. There's another storage unit in there as well. Backyard is decent, it really is. Definitely cookout, grill, swings, you name it. And it's fenced in already. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. Lights there for you. So you can definitely get your steps in, or you can take the elevator, of course. So I love this mid-loft level space. Elevator comes out right here. So this will be your second floor. Come out here. You'll have a balcony. Get to see the neighbors in the neighborhood. So I would definitely utilize this space. Game room, playroom, or just even a nook, a library. It all depends, it's up to you. Alright. So up here, this is the laundry room. See, there's another light. Okay, storage for clothes, detergents, you name it. Nice sink. Yep, and your hookups here. And adequate cabinet space. The tongue twister, adequate cabinet space. All right, thermostat here. So you could definitely see the ceiling lights, give it ample light. Woo! Definitely an echo. Could transform this whole space. And I love these doors. Super smart thermostat. Okay, got your HVAC unit. Carrier is a great company. And I know some of our viewers will love this closet space. Let's take a look. I would say more than walk-in. This is a nursery almost. So we could live in here. All right, let's take a look in here. I love the light fixtures. His and hers, of course. That's really sharp. Great space for the shower. And you have your tub to soak in. And the flooring is a nice finish. Yeah. That's smooth, no noise. Has its own individual light. 2 heads. This could definitely be a whole party in here. Would have to bump into. Yeah. Yeah, that's neat. All right. Butter. All right. Some more closet space. Yeah, let's take a look over here. Having a separate door, that's a good look. Close that. All right. And we're on to the next floor. Making our way up. Top of the castle. And again, another traditional loft space. Flex space. Opens up to your 3rd floor balcony now. Picture sunsets, sunrise. And you can see more Winter Park. Get your city skyline. I love the color palettes with the white and the brown and the dark brown and your pops of green. Superb. Excuse me. Another HVAC unit. Decent space. Loads of closet space. I like this backsplash is different. His and hers again. Different sink. Cool here. This is still a really nice shower as well. There's a light somewhere. See if I missed it. There you go. Tall glass doors. Really heavy weight to it that feels great. And the backsplash, again. Really great consistency in the color palette. Separate door, again. You like that. We switched up the cabinet color. And we're off to the next bedroom. Connection here. For some guests, Airbnb it. If you have twins, siblings. Yeah, sliding doors, that's nice. Lots of storage space. Come into here. This will be the second largest bedroom. Really big closet as well, with its own door. What's hard not to like? And its own Mac Daddy shower. Light fixture as well. Chrome finish. Take a look at whose view is this? Okay, right in the front. Got it.